To integrate ln x squared, we can use integration by parts. We can first rewrite this as ln x multiplied by ln x. We can then set this to be u, this to be v dashed. They're the same, so it doesn't matter which one we set to be u. So if u is ln x and v dash is also ln x, u dash would just be 1 over x. And for v, we have to work out what this is by using integration by parts one more time. So we're trying to integrate ln x. We can rewrite that as the integral of ln x times 1. We can then set our u to be ln x and our v dash to be 1. So u is equal to ln x, v dash is 1. Again, the differential of ln x is 1 over x, and the integral in this case of 1 would just be x. So for this here, so the integral of that will be u times v. This is the integration by parts formula. U times v minus the integral of vu dash. So this multiplied by this. X multiplied by 1 over x is just the same thing as 1. So these two times together is just 1. So we're integrating this, integrating 1 with respect to x. This then becomes x ln x. The integral of 1 is just minus x. So that's what we have here. So this will be x ln x minus x. We don't need to worry about the plus c. Okay, so now we've integrated ln x. We can use the integration by parts formula for what we have here. So again, u times v. So this will be ln x multiplied by x ln x minus x. That's u times v. Minus the integral of vu dash. So 1 over x multiplied by x ln x minus x. So then this is the same thing as, I can expand this out, so this becomes x ln x squared minus x ln x. And what we have here becomes minus the integral of, I'll put it in brackets, so this multiplied by this would just be 1. So therefore the first term, that's just this times this, that will be ln x. And the second term, which is 1 over x times by minus x, would just be minus 1. So we're subtracting the integral of what we have here. We can work that out now. We know what the integral of ln x is. X ln x squared minus x ln x. I'm just rewriting out the first part. So the integral of ln x, as we worked out before, was x ln x minus x. So minus, I'll put this all in one big bracket so we don't get confused with our signs. Again, the integral of ln x is what we have here, x ln x minus x. And then the minus 1 just integrates to make minus x. I'll put the plus c at the end now. Alright, let's expand out those brackets. So these two make minus 2x. Minus x ln x, well that'll just be minus x ln x, no change there. The minus 2x that we have here becomes plus 2x because of the minus sign that we have here. So minus minus makes plus, you have a plus 2x plus c, and then one last step of simplification, x ln x squared, these two combine together to make minus 2x ln x, and then there's the plus 2x plus c, which would be our final answer.